Hello and welcome, everyone. You are listening to the TalkUp English Channel. I'm Brian, and as always, I am here with the fantastic Chloe. Hey, Chloe.
Hi, Brian. I'm doing really well, thank you. And hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so good to be here with all of you. I'm very excited for our topic today. It's a really important one.
Me too. It's something every English learner needs to know. We are going to talk about you. That's right, we are going to learn how to talk about yourself in English. Simple, easy, and fun.
Yes, exactly. Things like your name, where you are from, what you do, all the basics to introduce yourself. But before we jump in, we have a small, tiny request for you.
That's right. If you enjoy our podcast and want to learn more English with us, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, Talk Up English.
And please give this episode a big like, a thumbs up. It helps other English learners find our channel, and it makes us very, very happy.
It really does. Okay, so are you ready to start, Chloe? Let's help our listeners talk about themselves.
I am so ready. Let's do this. So, Brian, imagine we are meeting for the first time. What is the first thing we say?
The very first thing is a greeting, of course. You can say hello or hi. Hello is a little more formal, and hi is very friendly and common.
Perfect. So, hello. And after that, you need to say your name. There are two very easy ways to do this. The first one is, my name is. So for me, hello, my name is Chloe.
Exactly. Super clear and super polite. Hello, my name is Brian. And the second way is even shorter, and we use it a lot in daily conversation. You can say I'm, which is short for I am.
Yes, so you can say, hi, I'm Chloe. It's more relaxed. Let's practice that. So I can say, hello, my name is Chloe. Or, hi, I'm Chloe. Both are perfect. What about you, Brian?
Hello, my name is Brian. Or hi, I'm Brian. See, very simple. To our listeners, you can pause and practice right now. Say it out loud. Hello, my name is, and say your beautiful name.
Great idea. Don't be shy. Practice is so important. Okay, so we have the greeting and the name. What comes next, Brian? Usually people ask where you are from.
Ah, yes, the famous question, where are you from? It's a question about your country or your city. So if someone asks you, where are you from? How do you answer, Chloe?
The answer is very simple. You use the same words from the question. You say, I am from, and then you say your country. For example, I am from England.
Perfect. And remember our short form, you can also say, I'm from England. It's more common in speaking. For me, I'm from the United States.
I'm from the United States. Great example. Let's give our listeners a few more examples. If you are from Brazil, you say,
I'm from Brazil.
if you are from Japan,
I'm from Japan.
if you are from Egypt.
I'm from Egypt. It's the same for every country. So let's put everything together from the start. Imagine we just met. I will start. Hi, I'm Brian. I'm from the United States.
Hello, Brian. I am Chloe. I'm from England.
Wow, look at that. We just had a small conversation. It's so easy.
It is, and it's so useful. You can use this at a party, at school, at work, anywhere. Okay, so we have name and country. What is another important topic when you meet someone?
Hmm. I think people often talk about their job, what they do for work. The question for this is, what do you do?
Yes, what do you do? This question means, what is your job? It's a very polite and common question. So, how do we answer this one?
It's very similar to the last one. You say, I am a, or I'm a, and then your job title. The little words a or an are very important here. We use a before a word that starts with a consonant sound.
Exactly. For example, I'm a teacher. The word teacher starts with T, which is a consonant. So we say a teacher. Or I'm a doctor. Doctor starts with D.
Right. And we use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. For example, the job engineer. It starts with E, so you say, I'm an engineer.
Another example is architect. It starts with A. So I'm an architect. It just helps the words flow together nicely. A teacher, an engineer. It feels more natural to say.
It does. Let's give our listeners some common jobs as examples. What if you work in an office?
You could say, I'm an office worker. Or if you are a boss, I'm a manager.
And what about people who are studying? What do they say?
Ah, great question. If you are studying at a university or school, you can say, I'm a student. Being a student is a very important job.
It is a very busy job. Okay, so let's practice. Brian, what do you do?
I'm a podcast host and an English teacher. See, I use a for podcast host and an for English teacher. What about you, Chloe? What do you do?
I'm a writer, and I'm also a podcast host.
That's great. So, for our listeners, think about your job. Is it teacher, doctor, student, engineer, manager, artist? And practice saying it. I'm a or I'm an.
Yes, let's do a quick review. So far, we can say our name, our country, and our job. Let's make a complete introduction. I will go first. Hello, my name is Chloe. I'm from England. I'm a writer.
Fantastic. My turn. Hi, I'm Brian. I'm from the United States. I'm a teacher.
This is a perfect short introduction. It gives people great information about you.
Well done, us. And well done to our listeners who are practicing. Okay, let's move on to something more fun.
Ooh, fun. I like fun. What is it?
Let's talk about hobbies, things you like to do in your free time. This is a great way to find things in common with new people.
Ah, yes, hobbies are the best topic. So, what is the question? How do we ask someone about their hobbies?
A simple way is to ask, what do you like to do? Or what are your hobbies? Both questions are great.
And the answer is just as simple. You can start your sentence with I like or I like to.
Yes. For example, if you like sports, you can say, I like sports. Or more specific, I like to play football. Or I like to play tennis.
What's the difference between I like and I like to? That can be confusing sometimes.
Good point. Usually we say I like with a noun, a thing. For example, I like music. I like books. I like movies.
Ah, I see. And I like to is for verbs, for actions. I like to listen to music. I like to read books. I like to watch movies.
Exactly. So, Brian, what do you like to do?
Let me think. I like music, and I like to play the guitar. What about you, Chloe? What do you like to do?
I like to read books. I read every day. I also like to cook. It's very relaxing.
Wow, you like to cook. I like to eat.
Yes, we are a perfect team. Yes, we are. See? This is how you have a conversation. You share something about yourself and you find a connection. Let's give our listeners some more hobby ideas.
Good idea. You can say, I like to draw. I like to sing. I like to dance. I like to travel. I like to learn new languages.
Oh, that last one is for all of our listeners. I like to learn English.
Yes, perfect. That's a great hobby to have. So let's add this to our introduction. It's getting longer and more interesting now.
Okay, I'll go first again. Hello, my name is Chloe. I'm from England. I'm a writer. I like to read books and I like to cook.
That's a wonderful introduction. It tells me so much about you. Okay, my turn. Hi, I'm Brian. I'm from the United States. I'm a teacher. I like to play the guitar.
Great job. It feels so natural. You are not just giving information, you are sharing a part of yourself. And that's how you make friends.
You are absolutely right. Learning a language is about connecting with people, and this is how you do it. Okay, is there anything else we can add to our basic introduction?
Hmm, maybe something about family. People sometimes ask about your family, but we should keep it very, very simple for beginners.
I agree. Simple is best. So we can talk about brothers and sisters. You can say, I have one brother, or I have two sisters.
Right. And what if you don't have any brothers or sisters?
Then you can say, I don't have any brothers or sisters. Or you can say, I'm an only child.
An only child. That's a great phrase. It means you are the only child in your family. So, Brian, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one older sister. Her name is Jessica.
Oh, that's lovely. And for me, I have one younger brother. His name is Tom.
See, we can share a little bit more information. This is great. So let's do the ultimate super duper full introduction.
The final version. Okay, I'm ready. You go first this time, Brian.
Okay, here we go. Ahem. Hello, my name is Brian. I'm from the United States. I'm an English teacher. In my free time, I like to play the guitar. I have one older sister.
Wow, that was perfect. It's friendly, it's clear, and it's full of great information. Now it's my turn. Hi, I'm Chloe. I'm from England. I'm a writer. I like to read books and I like to cook. I have one younger brother.
Fantastic. I feel like I know you so much better now, and this is the goal. For our listeners, you can build your own introduction just like this, one sentence at a time.
Yes, take it step by step. Step 1, your name. My name is. Step 2, your country. I'm from. Step 3, your job. I'm a or an. Step 4, your hobbies. I like to. Step 5, your family. I have.
It's like building with Lego bricks. You just put one piece on top of another, and soon you have a beautiful creation, your own English introduction.
I love that comparison. It's so true. And remember, it's okay to be slow. It's okay to make mistakes. The most important thing is to try.
Absolutely. Every English speaker, even me and Chloe, was a beginner once. We all started with, hello, my name is. It's the first step on an amazing journey.
It really is. So let's do a final quick recap for the key phrases for everyone listening.
Great idea. To introduce your name, you say,
My name is, or I'm.
to say where you are from, you say,
I'm from.
to talk about your job, you say,
I'm a or an.
To talk about things you like, you say,
I like or I like to.
and to talk about your brothers and sisters, you can say,
I have.
and that's it. These simple phrases will open up so many conversations for you. Practice them, remember them, and use them.
Yes. Don't be afraid to speak. People are usually very friendly and happy to hear you trying to speak their language.
So true. Well, I think that's a lot of great information for one episode. We've covered all the basics for a great self-introduction.
I agree. I really hope this helps all our amazing listeners to feel more confident when they speak English. You can do it.
Yes, you can. And that brings us to the end of our episode today here on the TalkUp English Channel.
It was so much fun, as always. Thank you all for listening. Before we go, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next episodes.
And please share this episode with a friend who is also learning English. Learning together is always more fun.
And one last thing. We would love for you to practice what you learned today. Leave a comment below this episode.
Yes, in the comments, introduce yourself. Just 1 or 2 sentences. You can say, "Hi, I'm your name, and I'm from your country." Or, "Hello, I'm your name, and I like to your hobby."
We will read every single comment, and we will be so happy to meet you. It would make our day.
It definitely would. So until next time, keep practicing, stay positive, and keep talking up your English.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Goodbye.